Here are 3 ideas for an Android app that could potentially generate $5 a day in ad revenue in India. Health and Fitness Tracker. With the increasing focus on health and wellness, a fitness tracker app that helps users track their workouts, monitor their nutrition, and set goals could be popular in India. The app could include features like workout logs, calorie tracking, and progress tracking, as well as integrations with popular fitness devices and wearables. The app could generate revenue through in-app advertisements for fitness products and services. Recipe and Cooking App. A recipe and cooking app that provides users with a wide range of recipes, cooking tips, and meal planning tools could also be popular in India. The app could include features like step-by-step recipe instructions, ingredient substitutions, and shopping lists, as well as integration with popular recipe websites and blogs. The app could generate revenue through in-app advertisements for cooking-related products and services. Personal Finance Manager. With the growing awareness of the importance of personal finance management in India, a personal finance manager app that helps users track their spending, set budgets, and plan for the future could be a hit. The app could include features like expense tracking, budgeting tools, and investment planning, as well as integration with popular banking and financial services. The app could generate revenue through in-app advertisements for financial products and services. These are just a few ideas, and there are many other types of apps that could potentially generate ad revenue in India. It's important to conduct market research and assess the needs and interests of your target audience before developing an app. Thanks for watching.